Easy where I am. Yeah. Did you see what I done? Came in a black Benz, left in the white one.
Hey guys, it's me Nekeisha and whatever. And today I'm back again with another video. Yeah, I'm really trying to stay consistent with these videos while still going to school. Well, just staying consistent in general, because even when I wasn't in school, I still wasn't consistent. But I am determined to try to stay consistent. Anyway, as you can tell by the title, today I'll be doing my September favorites. Now, my September favorites, if you came here to look at like makeup and stuff like that, I don't do that. I don't wear makeup. Not yet. I'm trying to learn. So it's mostly just food and essentials. So we're gonna start off with skin. So my first favorite is this lotion right here, Jergens Daily Moisture. It's this one. It looks like this. Yeah, it smells really good, and I love it. I'm actually kind of ashy, so it smells really nice. And my mom buys it from Walmart. I don't know how much it is, but I know you can find it at like Walmart and stuff. Next favorite, if you watched my, what was it back to school? If you watched my back to school haul, you would have seen this already, but if not, go watch it. But anyway, so this Mega Moisture Foam, yeah, this is from Pink, and I love this too. I try not to use it a lot because I don't want it to be done, but I only use it when I'm like wearing like short sleeves and like off the shoulder top, so I can smell exactly like this. But other than that, I don't really use it. So, cause yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Next, is this perfume from Victoria's Secret. It's called Love Spell. I actually stole this from my sister. She doesn't know, but I think she does know, because she didn't like the smell, so I didn't steal it. She kind of gave it to me. But I've been liking it a lot lately. I never used to use it before, but you know, now I'm using it. So yeah. Moving on to lips. My first favorite is this Minty Shine On lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. This is like a new look to their lip gloss, and I actually like it. It's really cute. Look, it's like clear there. I think that's cute. I like it. It's what I'm wearing right now, and it's really shiny, and I like it. My next favorite is this Pure Lip Oil. This you can get it at any drugstore. I like this too. It kind of does the same thing as this. It's just really shiny, but it's also really moisturizing, so you can use it in substitute for like Blistex and stuff like that. Well, at least it works for my lips. I don't know, everybody's lips are different, but this works pretty good for me. My next favorite are these lashes that I'm wearing right now. I don't remember where I got them from. I really don't. I really don't. But I do like them, so staying on this whole lash thing. My next favorite is this hair bonding glue. Now this glue you can just get from like your drugstore, beauty supply store, you know. It's actually weave glue, you know, it's like glue your tracks in, but it works really well as lash glue because it doesn't pull on your lashes, and it comes off really easily, whether it's on your eye or if it's on the lash itself. It comes off really easily. My next favorite, when I don't wear lashes, is this Too Faced mascara. I didn't get the big full size one because I don't know, I just didn't. I just got the little mini one. You know, I'm pretty sure everybody's heard of this. We've all heard of this. We all know that it's good. I just recently got on the wave. Before I was using Marc Jacobs, whatever. And next, you guys know that little gold crust thing that I do. I do that from this palette. It's broken. I'm gonna just cover it. It's broken. So behind why it's broken is kind of crazy. If you want to know why, comment down below and I'll tell you. And I use this color right here. this one. Boop. And I got this also from my beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure our beauty supply stores have this brand. If not, just get any palette with a gold shimmery color and you'll be fine. It works too. Next, moving on. Got to Be glue has been my favorite for a while now. But it works really well for my edges because I have 4C hair, and 4C hair doesn't slick to just anything. So I use Got to Be glue. If you guys want a tutorial on how I use it and how I get my edges to stay down, then comment down below. No, my edges are not slicked right now. I just stuck on some lashes. So, but if you do want to know, then comment down below and I'll show you guys. Next is this Claritin, because I have allergies, and whether it's spring or fall, yeah, in between, my allergies get pretty bad. They already started getting pretty bad, but I just pop one of these and I'm good for 24 hours. So if you have allergies, go try some Claritin. I promise you it'll work. If it doesn't work, then you can try Allegra. My next and last favorite is Wheat Thins. I love these. I used to eat these so much when I was growing up, but they kind of fell off. I don't know, but I saw them in Walmart and I was like, oh, I forgot about y'all. So I got some. Okay, I lied. That was my last favorite. Next I have two favorites. They're actually apps. Okay. My first favorite is Fun Run. If you don't know what Fun Run is, I'll insert like a picture of what it looks like here. I recommend that you download it and try it. It's a really fun game. It really have you hooked. Me and my best friend play all the time. And my next and last, this is the last one, I promise, is Fortnite. Like, I had it before, right? And I didn't like it. And I think the only reason why I didn't like it was because everybody was playing it. You know, like when something's too hyped and then you try it and you're just like, what's the hype? But anyway, I recently downloaded it again. And really my best friend, she got me playing again. And now it's lit because now I'm playing with someone. It's like so much better. And we actually won like twice. We still suck, but we won, so it doesn't matter, we still won. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, leave some video ideas down below, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye.